Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can create AI influencer video just in one click. We'll log in on Submagic AI. You'll find the link in the description. And now we'll choose AI Avatar Studio. Click on it. And here you'll find all the AI Avatar templates. You can use it. Let's show more. Choose any templates you want here. Let's choose this girl. Click on this. Let's choose this. Now, here you type your scripts. If you have a script, write it here or go to ChatGPT and tell him to give you shorts video scripts. We tell ChatGPT to give me shorts video scripts about AI. Now, ChatGPT, it's give me short scripts for my AI influencer video. Let's copy the scripts from ChatGPT and go back to Submagic AI. Paste the scripts here, choose the language, and click on Generates. Now, Submagic will generate a full AI influencer video just in one click. This video is ready. Let's review it.
In 2026, AI can build your website in 60 seconds, create viral videos automatically, reply to customer DMs, launch full marketing campaigns. One person plus AI, a full company.
You can change the caption style in here, change the color, added emoji, and added b-rolls and zooms and a lot of things with Submagic AI. Now your AI influencer video is ready. It just in one click. Let's review again, which click generates.
In 2026, AI can build your website in 60 seconds, create viral videos automatically, reply to customer DMs, launch full marketing campaigns. One person plus AI, a full company.
Now the video is ready. Click on export, choose the quality and download your video. That's it in this video. If you want to try Submagic AI, you'll find the link in the description and see you the next one.